Take them stones that are falling down that hole, mate. Rest this in here.
And down the hole.
Yeah, like see that big stone there?
These two.
Yeah, just get them out of the way. No.
You said down the hole.
Take them out.
You said down the hole.
Take them out. Right, that's it now. This has got to sit in the hole. Go on in. Right guys, finally I'm going to start putting in this eco drain. I've mixed up my sand and cement. I've done 5-to-1, which is 5 sharp and 1 cement. And as you can see, I've put on the other side of the video, me and my son laying all this in, whacker plating it in. It's had a good 8 inches over here and a good 4 or 5 here. It's had plenty. So here we go. Here we go. Firstly though, I've got to make sure that I take these edges. Remember what I said in the previous video? I'm going to take these edges here, just so the cement doesn't go into these holes, which means I won't be able to get my grate back on the top. So just means covering them up, that's all guys, it's not hard. It's one of them ones I wasn't too sure if I wanted to put the eco drain in, because I didn't know if it would make much of a difference, but belt and braces, I suppose, it's gonna help if there's any water coming down here, because I've probably got like a 30-foot side driveway coming down to here, and it's all flowing this way and it's flowing that way. The eco drain will be flowing this way only slightly because I've laid these bricks flowing that way. So I'm hoping that it's all gonna work basically. Fingers crossed. You don't know until it's done, do you? But it won't hurt it. I've purchased this. That's just my way of thinking. You're going to see when I do it, guys, but this is going to go on the end of the eco. The eco is going to run into this eco drain and come out of it, and then it's going to go into this one, and then I'm hoping that this is going to, it's a good 5 inches. It's a big fat one as well, so I'm hoping that that's going to catch all the silt, and then it's just going to flow, so it's going to do the job. It's a bit like a silk trap, isn't it? That's how I figure it. I don't know if it's supposed to do that, but I tried to get a silk trap and I didn't like them. It meant that I'd had to go like another foot deeper and come outside. Like again, it's in one of my previous videos, like that silk trap. So I've gone with this idea. Let me know if I'm doing it wrong, guys. But yeah, let's give this a go. Let's start putting it in. Happy days. Need a big shovel. Right, I've marked out the first one. I put a bit of tape there so I know exactly where the first one's going to go. I bought out a trowel, I ain't got it. Got to go and find it now. Great. Great. Right there in front of me, as per usual. There you have it. Right, I've measured my distance from there to there, which was 16. When it goes in, it's 60 millimeters both sides, so that's 120, which means it'll be 280 mil. So I'm just gonna mark this off, do loads of pencil lines. Bevel off the edges. Right, that should be the right distance. Right, I bought myself some lubricant, proper stuff, because if you use washing up liquid, you'll get it in there, but when it goes off you won't be able to move it, like you won't be able to get it out basically, or it'll be really hard to get it out. So I found out the other day WD-40's are good for this as well. I wish I got plenty of it, but I just wasted 6 or 7 quid on this lubricant, but I've got it now, so I'm going to use it. So let me go and get it and get this pipe in. It's called Flow Plus lubricant gel. You see how good this stuff is. I mean, I'm guilty of putting it in with washing up. I've done it for years like that. But hey ho, time for change. Probably tell you to put it on with a brush. I'm not doing that. It's got a nice. Have a clean up. I just need to receive that into there and we've done it. Now I've got to make sure that when I put this in, it's carrying on the flow of going down, so I'll be careful of that, guys. I know you're probably screaming at me I'm doing it wrong, but am I doing it wrong? Let me know, because to me this seems like the only way I can think of catching this silt, you know what I mean? Right, that's my idea. Right guys, I've finally got all the floor prepared now. It's all ready to go. I'm just going to carry on now. I'm going to be laying these bricks now. Like this, exactly like this. And then later on I'm going to fill them in with 4-in-1 builder's sand. Fill like both the gaps, the front and the back. And yeah, and then it'll be finished. A lot of prepping this, overkill. But that's the ACO drain there. So you can see the level, and that's the level on the bricks. So yeah, it's all running down, which is perfect guys. So let's just get on with this. It's now about 4:30 in the day, and I just didn't want to come out. It's been baking hot, and it's only now that this has started to go in the shade, so I feel as though I can work in this corner now. I'm going to knock up a little bit, and I'm going to cut these bricks in here and refill this, and maybe like lay, I don't know, maybe another 10 bricks. I don't know, I'm just going to knock up a little bit now and just do something today. But yeah, happy days. There you go guys, a little tip for you. When you clean out your wheelbarrow, just stick a bucket on the end, and it stops it all splashing out, because it will go all over the place. Just a little quick 5-second tip. Right, here we go. Oosha! Oh, I'll just cook two and I might have one later. Yeah? Quite nice. Yeah, that's it.
I don't think dirt's in their mouths, is it?
Yeah.
Let's get that later, dirty old. made that one dirty already.
I know. It's just should be just dust now. Oh God. That tilting down. That's it. I'll have to do. Off the what's it called?
Yeah, the thing wet there now.
Aye?
Put on the water plate wet. See the bristles.
Well, just like these that come out normally.
Then sure, but no hurry here. There's a something else fine.
Toe.
Yeah. There you go, now go past it, go on. That's it, that's it. That's as far as you can go.
That's it then. That's it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's all right then. That's enough.
Get out of the way, mate. That's it, mate. Good. Yeah, that looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All the way. We've got enough clearance there, would you say? Yeah?
Yeah, I'd say slightly higher that end, but you want it that higher end.
Hey, mate?
Slightly, probably that much between like.
Yeah. No, that looks pretty good, mate. That's good enough. I'll go around and give it its final temper like near the edge of that thing, Sam. Lift it back up there, mate. And see if you can see any ones that are causing that.
You don't want it to run slightly down.
I want it to be equal distance because like these bricks are running slightly down. Sam.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, push that over, Sam. Just to get that whacker blade, Sam, like the handheld one, and just go along and like if there's anything that you can see sticking up.
Dexter!
You go right to the end, Sam. Actually, it's the middle, isn't it? It's probably you're coming to it now, Sam, like them ones. Like these ones here, yeah. Good hard whack, mate. Right in the corner, that's it, mate. Down. Yeah, I think that's it, Sam. I think that's what was causing it. You see that one there, Sam? You're coming to it, see it? No, that could be the reason. Or these ones here. Harder, mate. You left it harder than that. That's it then. Let's try it again. It should be alright there. I'm happy with that anyway. I've got about 3 inches there. Of,
Small shoot.
that's it. Is that better? Yeah, that's plenty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit, but yeah.
Yeah, that's plenty, mate. That's plenty.
Today, probably, I see 2 bricks there that might be able to come out.
Yeah.
Be able to lower that last little bit. Only the last little bit that kicks.
Is it? You want to do that then?
I might just pull them out. This one here. There you go, look. Look at
Okay.
that.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Put them in the bucket or the wheelbarrow, Sam.
Sweet.
That's it.
Gosh.
Job done.
Oh.
That's all I've got to do now is knock up 5v1. I've got to set my lines out, get all this perfect. 5v1, you set that in, and then when this has gone off, then I'm going to fill it up again, but I'm going to use some really soft sand and cement, like I've got some around there. Like, and it
Have
just
you got like tarmac all this, have you? Concrete?
no, it's all going to be like this.
Concrete.
This.
Oh, all that's going to be...
Yeah.
You're not lying!
Yeah.
They got to go back inside, does it?
Yeah, I think that's finished with, mate, now. We're doing a set, so I just need a drink or something, some coke or something, mate. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So I'm probably going to need an hand, like lifting this up and putting it in, you know what I mean? I don't want to do it getting out, getting into it, because it's a lot of work. I'll get there anyway. There you have it, guys.
Next up, you want to come out? Buck, buck, buck.
All whacker plated in.
Buck, buck, buck.
Just going to haunch that in with 5 and 1. Just come like 2 mil below this brick here.
Nicely.
Because these bricks here are slanting that way, and the bricks on the other side will be slanting the other way. So there'll be a bit of a gully, and it'll run into the ACO drain, which is running down this way, and it'll carry on through, and job done. Job done. Happy days.